Good afternoon, good morning, good evening for those who are joining us online. I'm not sure where in the world they are, but just to make sure that we're covered and welcome here today. For those who don't know me, I'm Marlene Nilsson. I just joined the UNEP Asia and Pacific office as the Deputy Regional Director, and it's my pleasure to be here and my honor, especially since I'm so new. I'm very excited to be asked to do these opening remarks. As we gather here today, the world is facing a triple planetary crisis: the crisis of climate change, the crisis of biodiversity and nature loss, and the crisis of pollution and chemical waste. These crises are interconnected and mutually exacerbating. Acid deposition and air pollution worsen the triple planetary crisis by intensifying climate change, contributing to biodiversity loss, and polluting the very air that we breathe and the water that we drink. It is disheartening to note that 99% of the global population is exposed to unsafe air quality. This is unacceptable, especially given the recent General Assembly resolution, which declared that every individual has the right to clean, healthy, and sustainable environment. Pollution is not only a health issue, but it's also an economic issue. Take agriculture, for example. Pollutants can harm agricultural productivity, leading to decreased crop yields and quality. The bottom line is we must continue to reduce air pollution. This includes addressing volatile organic compounds, also known as VOC emissions. I know that many of you and many of the organizations online and who are following this are focusing on these pollutants, but they are important, particularly on the ground level also, which forms smog in our cities. To achieve this, we must focus on 3 areas. The first area is implementation of existing regulations. This is use of low VOC productions, improved industrial practices, stricter vehicle emission standards. The second area, which you will be discussing also at this workshop, is monitoring emissions and measuring air quality. And one such area that you can focus on is low-cost sensors. These tiny yet potent devices have revolutionized the field of environmental monitoring by providing cost-effective and easily deployable solutions. Low-cost sensors present us with a range of opportunities. Their affordability allows for broader accessibility, enabling governments, communities, and individuals to actively participate in monitoring air quality. It also provides for real-time monitoring capabilities. These sensors can be deployed across various locations, providing us with continuous and localized data. This granular information allows for targeted interventions and better understanding of pollution sources. However, it is important to be mindful of the limitations of low-cost sensors. While they provide valuable insights, their accuracy and precision may not match those of sophisticated high-end monitoring instruments. Calibrations, maintenance, and quality control measures are necessary to ensure reliable and accurate data. Collaborative efforts between scientists, research, and sensor manufacturers are essential to continuously improve the technology and address these limitations. To harness the full potential of low-cost sensors, we must adopt good practices. It is crucial to establish quality assurance and quality control protocols to ensure the accuracy and reliability of data collected. We should leverage the power of low-cost sensors to enhance citizen engagement and empowerment by involving communities in monitoring efforts. We can raise awareness, foster a sense of ownership, and drive collective action towards cleaner air and a healthier environment. Which leads me to the third area that we need to focus on, and it is prioritize regional cooperation. Air pollutants carry across borders. Solutions need to cross borders. Data sharing and collaborations are key. By sharing data openly and transparently, we can create a comprehensive understanding of air pollution patterns and sources. Collaborations amongst governments, research institutions, communities can facilitate knowledge exchange, capacity building, and the development of effective mitigation strategies. That's why alliances such as EANET are so important. EANET is one of the first intergovernmental bodies in the region that was established to support government efforts to address acid deposition problem, and now including other important air pollutants like particulate matter, ozone, and other volatile organic compounds. EANET is also intensifying its efforts this year to promote and reintroduce organizations with the objective of developing partnerships, mobilizing resources to support its activities. It is organizing this year's Regional Awareness Workshop, this is why we're here today, in conjunction with the Climate and Clean Air Coalition CCAC annual conference. CCAC is another organization that UNEP hosts the Secretariat. While the work of CCAC is global and straddles climate change and air pollution problems, clearly there is scope for cooperation and complement the work of EANET in the region. By working together, sharing knowledge, and engaging in communities, we can leverage science and available technology to create a cleaner, healthier, and more sustainable future for all. Thank you, and I wish you a fruitful and productive workshop.